Hi everyone, my name's Diana and I'm an accountant. In my public practice experience, one of the most popular questions I get is, how do I organize my accounting files? This video is for those small business owners who like to give their accounting documents to their accountants once a year or once a month. There are different ways to organize your accounting files, but today I'm going to give you a very simplified way on how to organize your documents before giving it to your accountant. When organizing your accounting files, I need you to imagine 7 big folders. These folders are Permanent Folder, Capital Asset Folder, Statement Folder, Income Folder, Expense Folder, Shareholder Folder, and Accountant Folder. In the Permanent Folder, you need to keep the permanent files. Permanent files are documents that you have to keep forever or as long as you needed. Examples are legal documents like incorporation documents, contracts like shareholder or partnership agreement, software codes like Microsoft Office key code, lease contracts like auto lease or rent contracts. In the Capital Asset folder, you need to keep the purchase and sales documents of your capital assets. In my practice, I consider capital assets as purchases or expenses that your business used for more than 1 year and costed you more than $500. For example, real estate properties like land and building, automobile, equipment, computer, and office furniture. In the statement folder, you need to keep all your account statements. These folder should have your bank statements, investment statements, credit card statements, loan or mortgage statements. In the income folder, you keep all documents related to income. Examples are your customer invoices or your income receipts. In the expense folder, you keep all documents related to expenses. Examples are your vendor bills such as purchases, phone bills, your expense receipts like fuel or office receipts, your payroll expenses, and your payments to the government. In the shareholder folder, you keep all documents related to shareholder transactions. These shareholder transactions include personal transactions in the company bank, such as your personal deposits to the company bank, your personal withdrawals from the company bank, your personal expenses paid by the company bank or company credit card. These shareholder transactions also include business transactions in your personal account, such as business expenses paid by your personal account or business income accidentally deposited to your personal account. Lastly, in this folder, you keep all business expenses paid by cash. In the accountant folder, you keep all documents that you want your accountant to see. Examples are important documents that you want your accountant to find, and unknown documents that you want to ask your accountant. As a recap, the simplest way to organize your accounting documents is to think of 7 folders. You need to have a permanent folder that contains all important documents that you need to keep forever or indefinitely. Capital Asset folder that contains all your capital assets. Statement folder that contains your bank, credit card, loan statements. Income folder that contains your income-related documents. Expense folder that contains your expense-related documents. Shareholder folder that contains all your personal transactions in the company account, business transactions in your personal account, and cash transactions. Accountant folder that contains any documents that you want your accountant to see. Hope you liked this video and thank you for watching.